In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer between networks in MetaMask. We'll walk through opening MetaMask, choosing the correct network, and using the built-in swap feature to exchange tokens. The key idea is that MetaMask treats each network separately. So you'll first make sure you're on the network where you want the swap to happen, then complete the trade and see your new tokens appear. Start by opening the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app and unlocking your wallet. Make sure you're using the official app and that it's up to date. Never share your secret recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. You won't need them for this process. Next, look at the network selector at the top of the wallet. This dropdown shows options like Ethereum, mainnet, and other supported networks. Select the network where you want to operate. Balances are network specific, and each network requires its own gas token for fees, so switch now to the correct one. If your funds are on a different network, change to that network first so MetaMask can access those assets. With the right network active, click the swap icon in the wallet interface. MetaMask Swap aggregates prices from multiple decentralized exchanges to help you get a competitive rate without leaving the wallet. In the swap window, choose the token you currently hold in the swap from field. Then pick the token you want to receive in the swap to field. If you don't immediately see a token, search for it carefully and verify you're selecting the correct asset. Enter the amount you'd like to swap. You can type a specific number or use your available balance as a guide. If you're swapping a token for the first time, MetaMask may prompt you to approve that token for spending. This is a normal one-time permission. Click Get Quotes. MetaMask will compare rates across supported liquidity sources. This only takes a moment. Review the best quote, along with the estimated gas fee and slippage tolerance. Slippage is how much the price can move before the trade is cancelled. If the market is volatile or the token has low liquidity, consider whether the shown slippage range is acceptable. Also confirm you have enough of the network's gas token to cover fees. When everything looks good, click Swap to confirm the transaction will be submitted to the network. You can monitor its status in the Activity tab. Once it's complete, your new tokens will appear in your wallet on that same network. If they don't show up right away, give it a moment.